Welding isn't something everybody talks about, but it's something that I've really gotten into and enjoy. It's something that is all around us and something we use every day without really thinking about it. I've been learning and practicing welding for a while. I've taken almost 4 years of welding classes at 2 different schools, and I've worked in the welding industry for about a year and a half, so it's something I've spent a lot of time learning and trying to perfect. You might not always notice it, but welding is used everywhere. Cars, buildings, bridges, pipelines, even just normal repairs all depend on it. Without welding, a lot of the things we rely on every day wouldn't even exist or function properly. To me, welding is more than just a hobby. It's something that takes time, focus, and practice to actually get good at. I'm going to talk about how I first got into welding, what I like about it, and why it matters. I first got into welding when my grandpa introduced it to me when I was younger. At the time, I was interested but never really thought it was something that I wanted to pursue in the future. It just seemed like something cool to try, not something I would actually stick with. But later on in high school, I ended up taking a 2-year welding course that my school offered. That's when things started to change for me. I learned the basics like safety, how to handle equipment, and how to do simple welds. At first, it wasn't easy and I made a lot of mistakes, but that's part of the process. Once I started seeing myself improve, I started to enjoy it a lot more. It became something I looked forward to doing. It's something where the more you do it, the more you can slowly start to see yourself improve. After I graduated high school, I decided to pursue more schooling here at WVUP. I wanted to keep building my skills and learn more advanced techniques. The more I learned, the more I realized how much there is to welding. There's different types of welding, different materials, and different methods depending on the job. There's always something new to learn, which keeps it interesting. What I like most about welding is the hands-on part that keeps me focused. When I'm welding, I have to pay attention to every little detail, like my angle, speed, and the way the weld looks. It forces me to stay in the moment and concentrate. I also like seeing my progress as I get better. It feels good being able to start with nothing and end up with something you made yourself. There's a real sense of accomplishment in that. You can actually see the results of your hard work right in front of you. Another thing I enjoy is the challenge. Not every weld is going to come out perfect, and sometimes you have to go back and fix mistakes, but that's how you improve. Welding has taught me how to be patient and not rush through things. If you rush, it shows in your work. It also taught me how to take pride in what I do because the quality of your work really matters. Welding also matters to me because it's something I plan on to turn into a career. It's a useful and important trade. There are always opportunities in different industries. It's something I can see myself doing long term, whether that's working on construction projects, manufacturing, or even specialized welding jobs. It gives me a skill that I can take anywhere and use in the real world. It has also taught me a lot of patience to detail, and it's helped me grow as a person. It's given me something productive to do with my time and something I can continue to build on in the future. Welding has become a big part of my life. It's something I enjoy, something I've worked a lot at, and something I want to continue doing. It's more than just a hobby at this point. It's something I've built my future around, and I'm excited to see where it takes me.